Happy Dhanteras to all of you as well as all the viewers of ET Now. Now, I think what yesterday's price action did was just try to establish a base at that 24,000 mark. So we are heading into the expiry, week for the next couple of days, expiry over the next couple of days. And I think it's been a turbulent series for the markets, in the month of October, because we started off with the index grinding quite lower. We've already corrected, I think, to 2,200 odd points from the 26,200 to 70 highs for the index. So I think in that context, what we are now likely to do is try and establish a range 24,000 to 24,500. I think broadly could be the range for the index. The good part about the market so far in the last few days is resilience, which has come back from two sectors, and one of them is the private sector banking names. So Bank Nifty overall has been strong relatively because of the strength which has come back into the private sector banking names, and IT as in overall pack, large cap IT names and especially the mid cap IT stocks, they have been a lot more stronger as well as resilient in this last few days of the market correction. So that indicates that the two heavyweight sectors are not on the verge of a major correction, but they are actually supporting the index. So I think that should also resemble some sort of stability which could come back into the indices. So net, my view is that we should stabilize in this range for the next at least 1 to 2 weeks. 24,000 as a base, 24,500 as a resistance for the index.
Nooresh, hi, morning. Happy Dhanteras to you as well. You think equities have a chance to outshine gold, or will it continue to be gold which will give you better returns?
So happy Dhanteras to all. Over the long term, it's generally been equities which does well, but there are periods where gold does really well. And last year was one of that. So, but overall, the view is we are getting into a point where there could be a lot of stock-specific opportunities in the markets. Because if we look at the broader markets, the market breadth has seen a lot of stocks correct by 15 to 25%. The index may be down 7 to 9%, but there are opportunities which should come up across the board going forward. And on the index, we are finally trying to form a range again. So the earlier band we traded was 24,800 to 25,200 and then drifted lower. Now 24,000, 24,600. And only once we start crossing 24,750, 24,800 is where we call it as a reversal. So for now, this looks like a range bound market for the next 1 to 2 weeks.